Hi, I'm making a video for the forum, the lab avoiding research misconduct, and I will answer four questions that are asked in the project, which is number one, which role you played. Number two is a key ethical issues or decision point you encountered in each role. Number three, how the scenarios connect to the protecting human subjects and maintaining research integrity. Number four is one connection you see to evidence-based practice in nursing. Here are my answer. For number one, I watched the video of Kim Park, a third year graduate student who questions the use of her data by another researcher. And number two, Beth Ridgely, a research administrator who has accepted the role as a university research integrity officer and must quickly learn how to handle allegations of research misconduct. And the answer for number two is a key ethical issues or decision point you encountered in each role. It would be avoiding research misconduct, focuses on fabrication, falsification, and plagiarism, mentorship responsibilities, explore the dynamics between the mentors and the mentees, and the ethical obligations involved. Number three, or another key, handling the data, addresses proper data management, storage, sharing, and integrity. And then another one would be responsible of authorship, discusses critical for authorship, publication ethics, and collaboration. And another one is questionable research practices, looks at the gray areas that may not be outright misconduct but still violate ethical standards. And then the answer for number three, protect human subjects. Um, Even though when the research is a preclinical or data driven, ethical decisions impact human subjects indirectly or indirectly. In what way the data integrity, falsification, fabricated data can lead to unsafe clinical trials or treatments, putting future patient at risk. And then another one would be oversight and accountability. Mentors and administrators must be ensured that the protocols involving human subjects follows our IRB guidelines and federal regulations. And examples of the researchers' manipulations data to make drug appear more effective, that misinformation could lead to human trials based on false premises, endangering participants. And then my answer for number four is connection of to EBP. Evidence-based practice relies on trustworthy, accurate, and ethical conducted research to guide patient care. If research is compromised through data manipulation, poor mentorship, and unethical authorship, then the evidence used by the nurse to make clinical decisions may be flawed. For example, if a nurse is using clinical guidelines based on falsified data, patient safety could be jeopardized. Another example would be ethical mentorship and responsible authorship ensures that the findings are credible and reproducible, which is essential for building reliable nursing protocols. Proper data handling protects patients' privacy and ensures the outcomes are valid, especially studies involve human subjects. Um, why does it matters for nurses? Right now, as an LPN working towards a BSN interested nursing informatics, you're really already engaging with how the data technology shape the care. Understanding research ethic helps ensure that the digital tools and the clinical guidelines you use based on the sound science, ultimately improving patient outcomes. Thank you and have a nice day.